are making a aircon car / tent that where you have the pipes, put them in the car, have this shield, and it pumps cold air to the tent because we are going to France, and it is going to be boiling right next to the Ardèche.
Not boiling here though, is it?
No, it's raining. That's why I want to get it over and done with.
Go on then.
Go. So right here we are going to draw around this yellow, no, not there, a silver bit. Emoji film.
Push it.
Where is it here?
Is that along the line?
Well, I don't know.
Alright, and go up a little bit.
Can we put this on time lapse?
Yeah. I'd reach over and hold that still there.
Then there's bits of plastic.
Yeah, that's alright. That's good.
Yeah. Me or I thought you said you.
You.
Oh. We are sanding down the edges so it won't scratch the car.
Recording.
Here we are making the holes for these. They do fit, but you have to twiddle them in a bit. But if we had two of these, we could put that in, glue it like this, and then we could have two, so cold air coming in, hot air going out. Oh yeah. And we got this tubing to go around outside so it doesn't scratch the car. Okay. For the next part of the build, see you in the Ardèche. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh, hi. Right now we are putting on the rubber tube so it won't scratch the car and it just makes it look cooler. We are sticking down the wall or the window so it does not let
If you want to use that up as soon as
out.
possible so we can get rid of that. What else do you need, darling? Your flour.
What?
Flour underneath.
Close enough, I think.
Yeah. Why is someone singing? Yeah.
If we put quite a lot in, we might be able to reach it to there. But actually, it might be just
Comes with
sufficient.
cable.
Unravel it and twist it in. Not all of it. Okay. And just go round. The other one. And then zip the tent.